So today I've got some pretty exciting news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. For those of you who don't know, my name is Mike Moore. This is my YouTube channel. We're going to be talking about investing and passive income, building streams of income, and all those cool things. But today's video, I wanted to kind of go into depth about my personal cryptocurrency fund and kind of take a look at my portfolio and show you guys what's been going on for 2019. So here's Blockfolio. This is an app that allows you to kind of keep track of all your cryptocurrencies and just kind of monitor them, keep them all in one place. It makes it a lot easier. So basically here we can see I have 0.4844 Bitcoin, which is about $5,800. I have almost 41 Litecoin, which is almost 5,169 in today's dollars. We have about 12.82 Ethereum, which is almost $4,100. And then we also have iCoin, also known as an altcoin. It's just a little smaller, lesser known coin, but it's, I think it has great potential. And I only have about 924, which is equal to about $305 worth of that. So what's cool is that, Bitcoin has been up to about 20,000 in recent years, but it had a very big crash, which led to a very strong buying opportunity. If you look here on our graph, you can see kind of where we got in the beginning of January. And since then, our total account value is now $15,397. So in only 6 months, we're up nearly 200%. It spiked today, had a very big spike right around 15,800. So it's down a little bit since then, but overall some really solid gains these last couple months. The last 3 months in general have seen some super steady growth. Yeah, about 200% just in the last 3 months. If you guys are interested in buying cryptocurrencies, I have a link for Coinbase. That's where I bought mine. And if you buy through, Bitcoin through them, they're going to give you an extra additional $10 worth of Bitcoin. So that's a pretty cool little opportunity there. You might want to wait and see what's happening, if the prices, continue to go up, or if they might drop here in the near future since they've been going up so heavily. It's hard to tell with Bitcoin because, it just seems to have a mind of its own. But yeah, I'm super excited about that. Definitely not mad about those gains. And if you guys are interested in following my journey to building up some more passive income streams. Okay, I apologize, guys. My phone died as I was recording that. So we're just going to do a little jump cut over here to our M1 Finance account. This is what we were talking about on the first video of our series here. Here's our account. We put in $100 about 2 days ago. We're down a couple cents, 84 cents right now, just because the market's down a little bit. But we're not worried about that. We're going to go ahead and set up our automatic deposit now. So all you have to do for that is you come in here. We're going to do $10 a day. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a schedule. They only allow you to do it weekly or monthly, so we're just going to do weekly. Let's do Monday. And what are we going to do? We're $10 a day, so $70 total for the week. Go ahead and confirm that. It's going to be made. Boom. Here it shows your scheduled deposits. We got one every single week, $70 a week. So that's cool. It's all set up now. So now this account's going to start growing a lot quicker as we get invested and we start putting in more and more money. We're also going to follow exactly how much money I make online through all the side hustles. Right now I'm working on 2 YouTube channels. I'm going to start up a blog soon. And I'm also going to start trying to get some affiliate sales going. So if you guys are interested in learning about any of those, make sure to hit that like button, comment below, let me know what you want to see, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate it.